Love isn't just in the air. It's waiting for you right here in the heart of Nanyuki at Peaks Hotel. Imagine walking into a beautifully prepared room. Soft lighting, romantic decor, rose beddings, and an atmosphere made for just the two of you.
Candles glowing low.
You experience that with a bottle of wine, toast to your love, a gift hamper, and a rose to make her feel truly cherished.
The room dressed in romance.
Warm lighting,
Every detail speaks your name.
sweet surprises,
Love wrapped in a quiet.
away from noise,
Love wrapped in
close to nature, wrapped in comfort.
Love wrapped gently in the heart of peace. Your body on my chest, I can't.
With a hot shower,
every touch, a promise.
and a bubble bath to make you feel relaxed.
Hold me
To shower in love and feel the warmth of our services.
of peace. Curtains open wide to Mount Kenya's grace.
Valentine's at Peaks Hotel. Come and enjoy a night you'll never forget, because love deserves more than just a text. It deserves a moment.
Cool Nanyuki air, sweet love in the room. Every breath we're taking feels like a honeymoon.